Hey there, Excel enthusiasts! Welcome back to Skills Simplified. In this video, I'll explain all 10 quizzes from our daily shorts from 001 to 010 and give you quick tips to master them. Ready? Let's get started. Welcome back to Quiz 001. Today, we're tackling question 1. What does the sum function do?
Method 1. Type equals sum, then select your range, for example, equals sum, F4, F8, and hit enter. Boom, total done. Method 2. Even faster, just press Alt+equals on your keyboard, and Excel will auto-select the range and give you the total instantly. That's it, 2 ways to sum like a pro. Which one do you use? Tell me in the comments. Alright, ready for the next one? Let's play some formatting fun. Which option changes the text color in Excel? Let's find out in the next quiz. And that's how you sum like a pro, 2 quick ways to total your data. Ready for the next one? Let's play some formatting fun. Which option changes text color? Let's find out. Here is the next question. Which option changes text color? And the options are font color, fill color, border color. Answer, font color. First, select the cell or text you want to change. Now, look at the toolbar. Here's the font color button. It looks like the letter A with a colored underline. Click the drop-down arrow, pick your favorite color, and done. That's how you change text color with font color, quick and colorful. What's your favorite Excel color? Alright, that was fun. Let's jump to the next quiz.
First, click on the cell where you want to display today's date. Now, type this function, =, then today, and press enter. Boom, Excel gives you today's date instantly.
Alright, that was fun. Let's jump to the next quiz.
Here's how to do it. First, select the data you want to visualize. Now, go to the Insert tab, and in the Charts group, click the line chart icon. And click on the drop-down arrow button and select which you like. Best for trends over time. That's why line charts are your best friend for spotting trends. Try it on your data today.
Nice work learning about charts. Now you know how to visualize trends clearly. Do you prefer line or column charts? Comment below. Next, let's talk about cell references in Quiz 5.
Here's a quick example. Here we have item prices in column O, and the tax rate is in cell N1. In column P, we want final price including tax. So in P3, type this formula. Equals O3 * 1 plus N$1. See, the $1 Namibian locks row 1 so the tax rate doesn't change when we copy the formula down. Now drag it down, and all final prices are calculated correctly using the same tax rate.
Boom! You've mastered mixed cell references. Which one do you use the most? Share with us. Up next, let's look up some data with Quiz 6.
Let's see. Here's how you use VLOOKUP to find data in a table. We want to find the price of a book. In an empty cell, type equals VLOOKUP, book, N2, 2, false. This means, look for book in the first column of the table, and return the value from column 2. Press enter, and you get 20, the price of a book. That's how you use VLOOKUP to quickly find data in your tables. Try it out today.
And that's how you find data in a snap using VLOOKUP. Do you use VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP? Tell me. Next, let's filter out the noise in Quiz 7.
First, select your table. Then go to the data filter. Filter arrows appear on the headers. Now click the arrow in the category column, uncheck all, and select just book, and boom. Only book are visible. Do unchecking all options and select your needed one. Other rows disappear. This is easiest one, just hit Ctrl+N for new workbook.
Quick as Ctrl+N. How many workbooks do you open in a day? Let me know. Now, let's solve a common Excel mystery. What does hashtag really mean? Quiz 9 coming up.
Here's a number and a date in these cells. Watch what happens when we shrink the column by using the method 1, and it's clear and visible now. Now let's see the method 2. Easiest and fastest shortcut, just click on the cell and type Alt+H+O+I and boom. So next time you see hashtag, don't panic, just adjust the column width.
No more hashtag confusion, you've nailed it. Do you have any other Excel mysteries? Comment below. Last one, let's check the now function in Quiz 10.
Let's see. What happened when we key the now? Type this, now, open and close brackets, and hit enter. And boom, Excel instantly shows today's date and current time. That's how you stay on time with now. Try it out.
And there you have it, 10 Excel quizzes explained with practical tips. Which one was your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel magic. See you in the next video.